Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be looking at the camera and just the camera. I'm not gonna look anywhere else, and I won't be shaking my chair. So this video is going to be epic. Okay, so today I want to talk about my web development kit. I can call web development kit, setup, or whatever it may be. So these are the technologies that I want to use in 2023. Some of them are really cool. I just want to share with you guys what are those things. The first thing is Next.js. You can just go to all these websites. I'll just link them down in the description, and they have a lot of different features. And one of my favorite features that they have is the client side and the server side rendering part. So basically what this does is, when you're opening a website and you have a lot of different components, you don't want to render everything in the client side, which is not optimal. It'll increase your bundle size and the build time and everything. What you do is you have all these certain set of code that will be running in the server side, and then the server side rendering happens. These certain components can be rendered directly to the user, and the other things will be server side rendering. That is, they render in the server side only when the data is being fetched. The next one is Tailwind CSS. So the reason why I started to like Tailwind CSS is I generally type a lot of CSS code. It'll be a clumsy set of code. So for every page I have a set of CSS written. But when you see to Tailwind CSS, it'll be really small, quick and easy. So you can, instead of just going to another file, just typing how much margin you want or what the display should be, and etc. Everything can be done in the JavaScript file itself. So as you can see here, this is like one small example that they have provided. If you want flex, you just say md flex. So the md keyword that's given here is viewport. So instead of writing a media query separately, you can just add it in the class name, and it will be really quick, easy, fast. You guys can check it out if you want to. I'm planning to use this instead of MUI, so let's see how it goes. The third thing that I want to do is start using TypeScript. I've been getting a lot of error playing around with JavaScript, so I do a lot of type errors. So I don't want that to happen. So I'm just going to be super type restrictive. I'm going to be using TypeScript for that. Instead of using normal Redux, I use Redux Toolkit, because you can see here everything is written in a single file. So you just create a file called slice, and you say what are the action, what are the reducers, and you just export them and you import them in the provider, and everything will be clean and simple. If you guys have any other better version of Redux, do let me know. Then this is like an bonus part. If I'm not creating a huge application that is to the level of Next.js, then I'll be creating a small application. Let's say I'm creating a small application where I'm playing around with certain things, then I'll be using React, right? So in React, instead of using normal npm install React, there is a thing called Vite. So basically what Vite does is it'll just improve your performance drastically. Here you can see Vite is a French word for quick. It's, when I say quick, it's actually really quick. So when you're trying to run an application in your development side, what happens is all the things will be built, and then this website is being loaded to the user. So when I'm just doing npm run or npm start or something like that, for me it takes around a minute or a minute and a half for really big applications. But in Vite, it'll only take like 5 to 10 seconds. The reason why that's happening is they separate the dependencies and the source code. So why Vite? So this is the part which I was trying to explain. So slow server start. You don't have slow server start. When you're trying to run an application for the first time, everything needs to be built up, and then the application is being rendered. And when you run it again, these built up resources will be reused, so it'll be a little bit faster, but it'll still be slower. One small example that I can give you guys is, as you can see here, the first image right here, everything is being built up together and then it is being rendered. But in Vite.js, what happens is, let's say the default route is homepage. So only the modules that is required for the homepage will be built, and that will be rendered to the users, while all the other routes and modules are being built in the background. So this will like save a lot of time for you guys. It'll be really quick. The only thing is you should have a compatible browser. I'm pretty sure 99.99% of you guys would be having a compatible browser, unless you're using Windows XP. That's it. A quick little video of what are the technologies that I want to be using in the year 2023 for web development. And yeah, hope you guys learned something new. Thank you for watching this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.